Welcome back to Life of Melanin Kit Kat. And today we are doing part 2 of my extreme cleanup of bedroom. This part is basically me organizing a little bit and me making up my bed and me basically finishing up the floor and figuring out where things is going. It's going to be another part to this video because I have to sort out clothes. I have to clean out my closet. I have so much stuff I need to do. So with that being said, I'm going to take you on my journey of reorganizing, revamping my house, like I said in the first video. And if you didn't check out the first video, stop the video here, pause it, and go to the other video. Look at that video. Like it, share it, show me some love, and then come back to this video to see part 2. So I'm trying to figure out something. Also, part 1, my hair is not done. I got my hair done literally right after I finished that part 1. That's why this is literally the next day. I have a sweater on because I'm cold. I just ate frozen yogurt. And I had to warm up my body, so yeah. But besides that, we're gonna get into this. Y'all gonna see, like, back there, my son is sleeping. So y'all gonna see him, like, get up eventually. I don't know when, but he's gonna get up. Okay, so far what I've been doing is just a give you an update. What I've been doing so far is rearranging certain stuff that I have a certain way already. So sorry if I'm saying I'm too much. I'm trying to figure out some more stuff right now. But yeah, I'm going to turn y'all around so y'all can see me. I'm going to be on that side of the room. And I'm going to work my way back to this side. Yesterday I started with this side. And I made my way to that side. So this time I'm going to start on that side and make my way back this side. So I can get this stuff under control and organized. Okay. Okay, so y'all see that side of that room. That's where I'm organizing. I just did the lotions and the stuff right there. My wig drawer. That is gonna be like my tampons or whatever. And then yeah. I gotta get my other drawer out of over there. So I'm just gonna have certain stuff. I might change that drawer down there to something completely different and use the bin that I have out there for my stuff, my personal needs. But over here, got sprays, got all different types of sprays. Okay, let me see. Hi everyone, this is the next day. I have finished cleaning up my room and everything, but cleaning up for my bed, but it's junky again because I started cleaning up again. So part 3 of the cleanup will be coming soon. Subscribe to catch that. Oh, my hair's sticking out. Oh, sorry. Girl, looking crazy. Yeah, so catch that. And if you like this video, subscribe, comment, share, everything. Bring your girl up. Give me like 10 likes on this, please. 10 likes. Matter of fact, 1 like. If I get 1 like, I'll be back with another freaking video. Okay? Excuse the videos at the moment. I'm currently working on an intro. I'm currently trying to find an editor and make things better. Okay? So just bear with me on this channel.